Hello ladies and gents, it's Sammy the YouTube star back once again to brighten up your world with my wonderful videos. Anyway, I had an appointment down in Chattanooga today, and I came up with a very impromptu plan of walking downtown Chattanooga. As you can see, it's not a very pretty day, very cloudy, but here, let me show you the other way. There's a river right there. Well, you can't see it from where I'm sitting, but the aquarium's nearby. But let me show you the view I came upon. I don't have my regular camera on me today, but Great Blue Heron, there he is down there. Again, I only have my cell phone. I don't have my regular camcorder, so this is not going to be the best quality, capture, but there's a big old heron right there. Not even sure if my phone camera has cameras into it, but maybe I'll see him a little bit better from right there. Very pretty bird. I guess if I go any closer, I might scare him off. Big old flock of seagulls on the dock there now. A lot of them are flying off. They see me coming up. A shitload of seagulls are perched on that dock and are flying around. The wind's blowing today, which is kind of allowing them plenty of lift. Wish I had my regular camcorder so I could zoom in there. There you go, seagulls galore. I'm going to try and show you a few American Coots, which are kind of duck-sized birds that look like, a really kind of like a black duck. But those right there are American Coots. See how close I can get before they fly off. Next time when I'm in downtown Chattanooga, I obviously need to remember my high quality camcorder. Anyway, those are American Coots.